Welcome to Reolink. Reolink is introducing its new dual-lens security camera lineup, the Duo series. It's an amazing upgrade over the Reolink products before, with its 150-degree ultra-wide field of view. It comes in 4 versions: wire-free, PoE, Wi-Fi, and 4G. In this video, we are unboxing the Reolink Duo Wi-Fi and walking you through all the essential features of it. On the camera box, you can see the key features of the Reolink Duo Wi-Fi are listed here, such as wide viewing angle, 2.4 and 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi, and smart person and vehicle detection. Inside the box, you'll find the Duo Wi-Fi camera itself, bracket, a 12-volt 2-amp power adapter, an Ethernet cable, a power extension cable, a waterproof lid, a pack of screws and anchors, a screwdriver, the mounting plate, 2 antennas, quick start guide, surveillance sticker, and mounting hole template. Let's take a closer look at this cutting-edge product. The twin lenses dominate the device's appearance. Each independently covers one side, and together they expand your field of view. 150-degree viewing angle monitors every corner, leaving almost no blind spots. Boasting 2K Super HD resolution, the Duo Wi-Fi can capture hard-to-see details. The infrared LEDs ensure up to 100 feet night vision, and the spotlights add colors to the night recordings and live view. The Reolink Duo Wi-Fi continues to apply the on-camera person and vehicle detection technology, differentiating persons and vehicles from trivial objects, and giving you more accurate alerts. With the built-in mic and speaker, you can even talk with your visitors or warn off intruders.
You can place the package by the door. Thanks.
It runs on 2.4 and 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi, so by freely switching between the two bands, the camera provides stronger wireless networking capacity. On the bottom of the camera, you can see a micro SD card slot for a card of up to 256 gigabytes. Thanks to its IP66 waterproof rating, it will never quit working, rain or shine. That's all for the unboxing of the Reolink Duo Wi-Fi. In our next video, we'll show you how to initially set up and install the camera yourself quickly.